Hello, everybody. I'm Tamar Mer from Capital Markets Elite Group UK. So, the passing week, we saw Microsoft overtaking Apple to be the world's most valuable listed company. So, what I've got here is the daily chart for Microsoft. And as we can see, we are back into an uptrend. We also have the moving averages 10, 20, 50, all fanning, all in the correct order for an uptrend, and nice convergence here on the momentum indicators. Now, I really like this level of 378. We can see we had a touch and we fell from it. Came back up, another touch, made a higher low, another touch, lower low, but haven't been able to go lower than this previous low. Consolidated underneath and then pushed higher and made another higher high over here. So we'll have a look at the higher time frame to see how this one looked like. The other element that I want to add to this is the Fibonacci retracement. So if we'll take a look from the low all the way to the high, and we can see that this 61.8% retracement is clustering quite nicely with this area around the 378. So a lot of technical ingredients clustering at the same level. The other thing is that if we get a pullback into this level, we could also see the market back into its averages. Let's take a look at the higher time frame to see if it supports this direction. So taking a look here on the weekly, and we can see that the weekly is in an uptrend. We have a high, a higher low over here, and we broke higher into a higher high. We also overextended, meaning there is quite a distance between where price action sits right now and the moving averages. So I'll be looking for a bit of a pullback to release some of this very strong buying pressure. A quick look at the monthly chart, and we can see that the monthly chart is also in a very nice uptrend, and the same overextended. We also have the momentum indicators here converging nicely to the upside. Meanwhile, in the financial sector, we read that JP Morgan just made more annual profit than any other lender in the history of US banking. But the market had mixed reaction to the earning reports on Friday. We can see we had a shot higher into the 176 area and completely rejected that move. So in this case, I am looking for a deeper pullback. I'm looking for a pullback in the context of the weekly chart. And the area that I'm interested in is around the 160 level. We can see we had a couple of touches at that area in the past. We're also quite overextended, so I'm looking for a bit of release of this strong buying pressure and for the market to catch up with its averages. Let's take a quick look at the monthly chart, and we can see that the monthly chart has just broke into another higher high. So we broke this monthly chart that the market has printed around October 21. And as the market was making higher highs and higher lows, the momentum indicators also converged to the upside. Happy trading, everyone. Bye for now.